The speaking profession is entering one of the biggest shifts it has seen in decades, and AI has completely changed what clients value. The speakers who adapt early will shape the future of our profession. Hi, I'm Coach Terence, Chair of the APSS Convention 2026, and this convention was designed to help speakers do one thing: become absolutely irreplaceable. Here are the 5 most important things that you want to know about the convention. Number 1. Become a person of irreplaceable value. Content alone is becoming replaceable. Frameworks are replaceable, but your presence is not. AI can generate ideas, but it cannot generate and create transformation in a room. It cannot read an audience, and it cannot hold people accountable for change. That human edge is where your value lives. Number 2, this is a strategic business summit. Most speakers stay busy delivering talks, but few step back to design the business itself. These 2 days are your business summit, a space to rethink about your positioning and to build the next version of your speaking business. Number 3, revenue bottleneck. Your next revenue breakthrough is already inside your business, but perhaps something might be blocking it. Most speakers try to grow by doing more talks, more content, more marketing. But the best speakers do something different. They just focus on one single item, the biggest constraint that might be quietly limiting their growth. At this convention, you will get to use a business diagnostic tool to uncover that bottleneck that could unlock the next 5 to 15% of your annual revenue growth. One clear business diagnosis can change the course of your business. 4. Strategic connections. One powerful conversation can change the dynamic of your business growth. I'm not talking about a LinkedIn request. We are talking about having a real conversation with the right person at the right moment. And those conversations are intentionally designed and facilitated in this convention. Number 5. The real value of the room. Very often, it's not just on stage. It's what happens in between sessions, over coffee, in a quiet corner, between 2 people who are being honest about what's working right now. And those moments, they can't be recorded. They only exist for people who are in the room, people who show up. And many serious speakers and entrepreneurs have already secured their seat. The question is whether will you be joining us? If you miss this convention, the next opportunity will only come in May 2027. So join me this year, 1st and 2nd of May at the APSS Convention. This could be one of the most important decisions you make for your business this year. Join us.